The situation is truly astonishing. Feeling like watching a live stunt straight from a film set. And it all happened so quickly. The event was truly astonishing as the massive tree trunk exploded into fragments. I can't believe that the massive tree trunk fell onto the power lines, causing explosions. The prank was truly astonishing. Feeling like watching a stunt as he was yanked up the tree trunk. A powerful testament to the force of the explosion, which vaporized a massive tree trunk in the blink of an eye. Being aware of your surroundings. Cutting down trees is no joke. It feels truly astonishing. Like watching a live stunt. If the tree is leaning towards the car, don't try to cut it without a solid plan, and that's exactly what happened. Oh dear.
Oh, there it goes! Oh my god! Yeah!
Oh my god. It's clear they anticipated how it would fall. Luckily, it seems the house wasn't damaged too much. This is why you should never park under a large tree during a storm.
You did, Mom, you flipped. Dude, I've never heard.
When you cut down an old oak tree by yourself, it's no joke. It's a tough situation.
Go ahead!
The scene is really interesting. I'm curious to know if he's Spider-Man.
Get out, get out!
Get out!
Move!
It was a bittersweet moment. A place filled with everyone's childhood memories was torn down. When you're trying to cut down an old oak tree, it's no joke. It's a challenging situation.
Oops.
Cutting down a tree is no joke. One wrong move from him, and things could quickly spiral out of control. Oh my god. The tree's going. The tree's going. Oh my god. That had me on the edge of my seat. Trying to control a falling tree is no joke. This is why you should never climb a tree on a Friday. Oh my God. It looks like these guys seriously underestimated the power of those massive tree trunks. The tree fell backward into the fence. He seems to be in quite a bit of pain. You think you've got it under control, but they can still catch you by surprise. I never thought I could do what the lumberjack just did. What do you think is going to happen to him? The massive tree toppled onto the small house next door. Everyone thinks cutting down a tree is simple, until the massive trunk destroys the house, leaving everyone helpless. This is what happened. This is why you should never use a car to block a tree. Look at how easily he brings down the massive tree trunk. He seems to have many years of experience in the trade. The prank is truly astonishing. The small car is trying to pull the massive tree trunk. Oh my God. The massive tree trunk fell, pulling the man down with it. This is why you need protective equipment. Oh my God. With the direction they're pulling the tree, it's clear they anticipated how it would fall. Luckily, it seems like the house wasn't damaged too much. It was a breathtaking moment. A split-second decision saved the whole day. I was holding my breath the entire time. The moment the light appeared, it caused a massive tree by the road to explode.
Moça. Nick.
I told you. Damn, son. Damn.
I've never seen it. Oh my God.
money.